Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We still on binomial distribution, but for this video we want to find probability by using the binomial table. As the number of trials n gets larger, the calculation becomes tedious. Therefore, binomial table is used instead. For binomial table, we use sign greater than or equal only. Okay, before we look example, I will teach you how to use binomial table. First step, you must have statistical table and open on binomial distribution side. This column for n, this column for r, and this row for probability. We can read r from this side or this side. For n equals to 20 and p equals to 0.35, find probability for x greater than or equals to 7. For binomial table, we just use sign greater than equal. So this one in sign of greater than equal. So we can use direct table. We look this table, we find n equals to 20. So we have here n equals to 20 and p equals to 0.35. Okay, this row doesn't have 0.35. So we find next page 0.35. So we have here 0.35 but doesn't have n equals to 20. So next page, this one n equals to 20 and we have p 0.35. And question asks to find probability x greater than or equals to 7. So we have here r equals to 7 and p equals to 0.35. So this one 0.5834. So we have answer 0.5834. Next, we have n equals to 20 but p equals to 0.5. And question asks to find x greater than or equals to 6. Means our r equals to 6. So we look at our table. N equals to 20 and p equals to 0.5 and r equals to 6. So we have 0.9793. So we put answer 0.9793. This is how we read the binomial table. Kamu perlu tahu cara guna binomial table sebab selepas ni kita banyak menggunakan table. We look question number 4. If x binomially distribute with n equals to 20 and p equals to 0.35, by using the binomial distribution table, find. Now for this question, we just solve using binomial distribution table. Question A, x greater than or equal. Since in sign greater equal, so we can direct use binomial distribution table. So we look our table. N equals to 20, p equals to 0.35 and r equals to 5. So we have answer 0.8818. So we copy 0.8818. Next question, B. We want to find probability from 2 until 7. Probability 2 until 7, we can read direct from table. We need to change in sign greater than or equal only. 2 until 7 means we want to find 3, 4, 5, and 6. We use px greater than or equals to 3, we minus with px greater than or equals to 7. Why we use 3 minus 7? X greater than or equals to 3 means we start from 3 until 20. X greater than or equals to 7 means 7 until 20. We minus the same number, so we get 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's why we use 3 minus 7. Then we check table. What is the probability for x greater than or equals to 3 and x greater than or equals to 7 for n equals to 20 and p equals to 0.35? So n 20, p 0.35 and r is 3. So we get 0.9879. So we put answer 0.9879. Then we minus with px greater than or equals to 7. So we look at r equals to 7. And r equals to 7 is 0.5834. 0.5834. Then we minus, we get answer 0.4045. Next question, we have C, probability x less than 4. Since the sign not in greater or equal, so we need to change the sign less than become greater equal. Less than 4 means we want 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 not include. To find value from 0 until 3, we put 1 minus px greater than or equals to 4. Maksudnya, kita tolak yang kita tak nak. Kita tak nak adalah 4 dan ke atas. Bila dah dapat simbol greater dan equal, baru kita boleh guna table. Selagi tak dapat simbol greater equal, tak boleh baca table. Then we check our table. X greater than or equals to 4 means R equals to 4. We check table. For R equals to 4, we have 0.9556. 0.9556. Then we minus, we get answer 0.0444. We continue example number 5. X is a random variable such that x randomly distribute with n equals to 5 and p equals to 0.3. By using binomial table, find A, x greater than or equals to 3. Greater than equal means kita boleh terus baca table. Okay, now we check our table with n equals to 5 and p equals to 0.3. So we can see here n equals to 5 and p equals to 0.3. This column, and we find r equals to 3. So we have 0.1631. So we put direct answer 0.1631. Next question, we have p x greater than 3. X greater than 3 kita tak boleh baca table. So kita kena ubah dalam bentuk sign greater equal. So we change to px greater than or equals to 4. X greater than 3 maksudnya 3 tak termasuk. So kita start nak nombor 4 dan 5. So nak dapatkan nombor 4 dan 5, kita kena cari x greater than or equals to 4. Now we check table. R is 4. R is 4, so we get answer 0.0308 equals to 0.0308. Next question, C. We find px less than or equals to 3. Less than equal kita tak boleh baca table juga, so kita kena ubah ke dalam bentuk greater equal. Px less than or equals to 3 means kita perlukan 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 include. Okay, to find 0 until 3, so kita ubah jadikan dia 1 minus px greater than or equals to 4. Nak dapatkan kosong hingga 3, kita ambil semua, tolakkan dengan 4 ke atas. 4 dan 5 lah. Tolak 4 dan 5, dapatlah kosong sampai 3. Sebab tu saya gunakan 1 minus px greater than or equals to 4. And answer for px greater than or equals to 4 same as B. So just copy back. Then we minus, we get answer 0.9692. Question D, we want to find probability for x less than 3. X less than 3 means we want to find 0, 1 and 2. Not include 3. So, we take 1 minus px greater than or equals to 3. Untuk cari kosong sampai 2, kita ambil semua, tolakkan dengan 3, 4 dan 5. 3, 4 dan 5 means greater than or equals to 3. And Px greater than or equals to 3, kita dah cari di A. So kita copy balik answer 0.1631. Then we minus, we get answer 0.8369. And next E, we want to find probability for x equals to 3. Okay, so we need to change equal into sign greater equal. So we take formula Px greater than or equals to 3. We minus with Px greater than or equals to 4. Why I take 3 minus 4? We want to find 3 only. So we take 3 and above minus with 4 and above. So we get 3 only. Nak dapatkan 3 tu, kita ambil 3 dan ke atas, tolakkan dengan number 4 dan ke atas. So dapatlah nombor 3. Px greater than or equals to 3, kita dah cari 0.1631. We minus with Px greater than or equals to 4. Tu pun kita dah find tadi. So we put 0.0308. Then we minus, we get answer 0.1323. Next, the binomial table only give values from 0.01 up to 0.5. Ni value untuk P. Dia hanya bagi 0.01 sampai 0.5 aja. For P greater than 0.5, use the following guide. Maksudnya, kalau P yang kamu dapat besar daripada 0.5, tak ada dalam table. So, kita terpaksa gunakan guide-guide yang dia bagi ni untuk cari guna table juga. First, if we want to find x equals to R, so kita change P become Q. This one become Q. Then kita find N minus R. Kalau soalan tanya x greater than or equals to R, kita tukar dulu soalan dalam Q dan kita find x less than or equals to N minus R. Terbalikkan sign dan ambil N tolak R. Kalau soalan minta kita cari x less than or equals to R, first kita change dulu P kepada Q dan kita find x greater than or equals to N minus R. Terbalikkan sign dan mesti N tolak R. We look example 6. If x binomially distribute with N equals to 15 and P equals to 0.75, find A, Px equals to 8. So we can see here our value for P is greater than 0.5. So P kita ni takkan ada dalam table. Tapi kita nak guna table juga untuk solve. First step, kita kena ubah dulu x binomially distribute ni dengan nilai Q. So 0.75, kalau Q kita akan dapat 0.25. 1 minus P, dapat Q. Kita tukar dalam Q. Baru kita start jawab soalan. Px equals to 8. Kalau dia minta equal 8, so sign kita masih sama, equal, tapi kita ambil N minus R. So 15 minus 8. So soalan kita adalah x equals to 7. But to read from table, we need to change equal sign to greater than or equal sign. So kita perlu ubah dulu dia punya sign. Sebab kita nak guna table juga. So kita ubah, kalau equal dia akan jadi Px greater than or equals to 7. We minus with Px greater than or equals to 8. Then we find from table N equals to 15 and P equals to 0.25. Kita gunakan yang baru yang kita dah tukar ni. So N kita 15 dan P kita 0.25. Then R 7 and 8. So we look N equals to 15. P 0.25, this column. And R equals to 7, 0.0566. And R equals to 8, 0.0173. We minus this one. So we put our answer 0.0566 minus with 0.0173. Then we solve, we get answer 0.0393. Next question, we want to find P x greater than or equals to 2. Px greater than or equals to 2, we need to change becomes Px less than equal. Kita perlu ubah sign dia So less than equal n minus r. So our n is 15 minus 2. Then we get Px less than or equals to 13. To read from the table, we need to change less than equal to greater than equal. We want to find less than or equals to 13. So kita ambil semua probability 1 minus with x greater than or equals to 14. Kita nak 13 ke bawah. So kita ambil semua, tolakkan dengan 14 ke atas. So dapatlah 13 ke bawah. We check table at r equals to 14. R equals to 14 on the next page. But for p equals to 0.25, we doesn't have value for r equals to 14. So we just put answer 0. So becomes 1 minus 0. Sebab 14 tu tak ada dalam data table. So 1 minus 0, we get 1. And last question, we have Px less than 6. From the guideline, kita tak ada pun sign less than. Kita hanya ada sign less than equal sahaja. So kita perlu tukar dulu dalam bentuk sign less than equal. Px less than 6 bermaksud 6 ke bawah, tidak termasuk 6. So maksudnya 5 ke bawah lah. 5 dan ke bawah. So before we find using table, so we need to change n minus r. Gunakan dulu formula yang dia bagi. Lepas dah tukar sign less than equal, bagi sama dengan guideline. So kita tukar lagi Px greater equal, sebab ini less, dia akan jadi greater equal n minus r, 15 minus 5. Then we get answer Px greater than or equals to 10. Greater equal, kita boleh terus baca table. So we check our table. For r equals to 10. For n equals to 15, p 0.25 and r equals to 10, we have answer 0.0008. So we copy here, answer is 0.0008. We finish our video today, and to make you more understand with this topic, so try doing this exercise.